Saint Mary man walks to Kingston in 30 pounds of chain. He wants Tacky to be named the country's next national hero.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
1760 was the beginning of the Tacky rebellion, and here was where it started. Here was where Tacky and his band of men came across from frontier through the Padgy Beach, through across the river and up the hill to where the garrison fort was. And here was where they commandeered the muskets, the gunpowder, the pistols, and all that was necessary for them to launch a campaign against slavery.
On Tuesday, July 31, 2018, Derrick BlackX'Robinson set out on an almost 37 miles or 59 kilometers walk from the St. Mary Parish Library to the Emancipation Park in New Kingston with 30 pounds of chain around his neck. The journey, which would take him approximately 13 and a half hours to complete, would see him pass through places such as Baileysville, Highgate and Esher, where slave rebellions would have taken place, then onto the Junction Main Road en route to his destination. The significance about the attire is about the 30-pound chain round my neck. It is a resemblance of the slavery chain. Each time we would do something with a symbolic gesture, said Robinson, who some persons even referred to as Tacky.
Yes, there is a Tacky High School up in Gale. Yes, there is a Tacky Monument at the Portmore Library in Portmore itself. And also, most importantly, the Tacky Falls, because it's that folklore of him disappearing over the falls that keep that story alive and vibrant in the minds of every St. Mary person.
For an 11th straight year, he is going on this pilgrimage in a bid to get Chieftain Tacky, who led the Easter Rebellion in St. Mary in 1760, recognized as a national hero, sometimes opting to complete the travel barefooted. I walked barefoot for the better part of 8 years, when it reached like around Black History Month. Around this time when it is Emancipation, Heritage Month, we usually go barefoot to keep the significance to remember the Tacky story, he said. Having walked to places such as Nigel and Kingston without shoes, he said that 4 years ago he received several bruises to his feet. One at a time I did have a bar to walk because I did barefoot and I did have to go real far, and some blisters did come up. And instead of just make it run its natural course, I perform an emergency surgery and it stopped me, said the man who sang with the Carib folk singers for several years. But Robinson explained that his past injury did not influence his decision to don footwear this time around.
Tacky had no vivid movement to lobby on his behalf. Even though the Tacky Rebellion was the rebellion that influenced the Haitian Revolution, and we could see the blueprint of that all over. And even though the Tacky Rebellion had the most impact on slavery at the time when there was no move afoot to end slavery, Tacky started it all.
We're moving from rebellion to administration. So we go through the rebellion and the struggles of the rebellion. Now we're up to portray the responsibility of administration because Chieftain Tacky was about governance. So as we begin to position ourselves to support and address things in governance, we look the part, he said. He added that he is super confident that Chieftain Tacky will be named the country's next national hero. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.